Did you know that some of the most honest prayers in the Bible sound less like faith and more like fury? Margaret had been widowed 6 months. She sat in that folding chair every Tuesday night, arms crossed, jaw tight. People kept telling her the pain would lift if she just kept praying. She was tired of hearing it. One night, she finally said it out loud. 6 months. Nothing has changed. I'm still furious. At God. At everyone. The room got quiet. Then Ruth, who had buried her own husband 11 years before, reached over and took Margaret's hand. She didn't explain anything. She didn't offer a verse. She just stayed. That was it. That was the whole thing. The book of Job is full of chapters where God says nothing, and a friend simply sits on the ground beside someone who is suffering. Sometimes that is the most faithful thing anyone can do. Not every wound closes fast, but no one has to sit in the dark alone. Who in your life just needs you to stay?